Hello fans, welcome to today's change of front panel. And today's front panel, we are changing the front panel of this switch. This one, this Cisco 3560X series X. It is X series. You can see X here. So this is the switch here. Look at the switch. Look at the switch. So that is it. So when you want to do this kind of a one, you have to open it. Without opening it, none of this is going out. This one is separate on its own. This first line up here is separate on its own. Then this downside here, which this one is separate on its own. So what you're going to do when you want to change this front panel, what you're going to do is you have to remove all the screws, all the screws here. You have to remove all the screws. See all the screws, you have to remove it. Even the one here. The one at the back. All the screws here. You have to remove all the screws. You have to remove all of them. This one is on close to the front. So you have to remove all the screws. Then after removing the screws, then you lift. Then you lift. 1 minute. So what you're going to do, I've done that already, because if I do that, it's going to waste time here. So remove the screw, anybody can do that. So you lift the back, slide it backwards and lift it up. Then when you look at it, you will see you have to remove this one first. This one up. This one now. It is screwed to this place. You can see the two screws that is holding it. So you have to do what? You have to remove it. Depending on the one because sometimes this only one up can be the only one that is damaged. Sometimes this down, sometimes both of them. So I'm going to teach you how to change both. So you remove it. You open it, two screw here and two at the other side. So I've opened it, I've removed it. Then you look at the inside of it. You see this cable here. What you're going to do is you have to remove it from down, open the down, pull it up like this. This is the cable that connected the indicator lights and the button to the. Look at it. I've removed it. It's connected to the board. I linked it to the board. So this is it. So this one, I've removed this one. So if it is this one you want to remove, you do it this way. Only this one is not that. Only when you remove screw you can be able to do that. Then if it is this one you want to remove, what you're going to do is, let me bring my flat. This is my flat. So I'll go to our back as usual. You see the back? You don't do it from here, otherwise you will spoil something. So the second one behind this first one, close to the front cover. So the second one at the back, you do it, you open it. Then when you're doing it, lifting it up, you slide this one out. You do it through this way. When you're lifting it up, you slide this one out. You lift up. Just Let's share down. That's how you do all of them. That's how you do it. You slide it out. So this is it. This the way I did this one. You can also do that with there's another model that is constructed this way, which is a 37. Look at it here. You see this one here? I want to show you this. You see, this is 3560, but that one is a 3750. 3750. It is exactly the same way. The only difference between both is just the color. The color of that one is silver color, but this one is green. Exactly the same shape. Everything is the same. You can do that the same way. So you can see it. You can see. So when you want to remove this particular model, this X model, this X you're seeing here, what you simply do is what? You unscrew it, the cover first before you can get access to it. So then if you want to put it back again, 1 minute. This. So when you want putting it back is much easier than removing it. So what you just do is you first the upside will go first. The upside will go first. Then what you're going to do when the upside go first, this hook here, you see this hook you're seeing here, there. You see another hook here again. You can see another hook here again. So it is going to hit here first. You're going to channel it to the right places. Align it here. All of them, you're going to align it here. Align all of them and here as well. Then what you're going to do is you first of all align it up. Make sure it enter up first. Up side, all of them are entered first. When you look at it here, let me show you from the side so you can see what I'm talking about. So when you make sure it entered first, you can see when you look at it, you will see it slant. If the up is touching this body while the down is still away, a bit away from it. So what you're going to do is you slightly, one after the other, you push this side down. When you're holding each one, you hold each hook, you hold, you push that place direct down. You're holding this one, you push this one down, then this one. As you're holding this one back, you push the place. As you're holding this side, you push the place. So this one has just entered like this. So that is it. When you look at it, you see that this place, the upside is moving, because what is holding it to the body like this, you see this hook here, it's also this is this up cover that is will hold this hook down, so it will be very strong when you close it. So that is it. So let me come to the other one. Let me come to this one. So this one, if it is only this one you want to change, if you want to change this cover, if it is only this cover you want to change, or you have complete kit like this to change, it will be better. Or if it is only this first cover you want to change, what you're going to do is, you can see here, look at here, you see at the back side of it, you see where it is attached at the back. You see the hook that is holding it. holding the front cover, this front cover, to this steel channel. What you're going to do is, from the back, as I taught you, from the back, let me do this one. From the back, you do that, you remove this, you see it's out, this one is out. From the back, from the back, you do it like this, this one is out. From the back, you push from the back, always from the back, you push this one again. All the places you see the hook, when you push it down small, then you use the other hand, this left hand, and be pulling it out. As you're pulling it out, you're shifting it like this. So that is it. So it's out. This one also, you can see it's out. I've removed it from this. I've removed it from this. So that is just it. That's how to do that without any damage to the hook, because there's a way you do it. If you don't do it well, the hook that's supposed to hold it tight to this would get damaged. When it damaged, it's another problem. In the case of the one, maybe this is the one you want to use to replace the bad one, and you damage the hook, is a problem. So what you're going to do is, when you want to put it back, putting it back is always like this model. Putting it back is always as simple as ABC. So what you're going to do is, you make sure all of them are aligned. Like in this case, the case of the other one, you start, there's a one video I show you. You start from where the port ends. But this one, you have to start from this. You have to start from this place to align it. You have to align it from where the button is. These models, you have to align it from where the model. Push it. Push it. Push it in. Then you align it. Make sure that the USB console is aligned to the place it's supposed to be. And you push it in. Push it in. And for people that have big thumbs, big fingers, only what you need to do is just, when you make the up touch the iron casing, then you use the flat to push the other one down so that they can be able to enter. Push it like this. First, the upper side will enter first. Will enter. Then you use this one to push in the down part of it, as I showed you before. This one. This one. So this one, the up one will enter first. Then you use flat screw to push the other downside. You can see it is back again. You can see it is back again. You can press the button normal. You can see it. So that is it. This one, you see, this video take a little bit time, because that's the reason why I have to remove the front, the casing, the cover, so the upper cover, before I had to do it. So that is it. So let me put it back. It's now fitted fine. So subscribe if you're coming by this video, this channel for the first time. You can consider subscribing. You can subscribe for the next videos. So with anything about Cisco switches, also servers, you will learn it here. So when you subscribe, you click the notification bell, so anytime I post any video, you will know. Thank you. See you on the next one.